What's the meaning of bittern? Bittern. Bittern.
Bittern. Bittern. Bittern refers to a type of wading bird that belongs to the heron family. These birds are typically found in wetlands, marshes, and other shallow water bodies. Bitterns are known for their distinctive booming call, which is produced by inflating their throat pouch. The word bittern is believed to have originated from the Old English word butor, which means bitter. This may be due to the fact that the meat of the bird was once considered to have a bitter taste. Bitterns have been the subject of folklore and legends in various cultures, including Native American and European traditions, and are often associated with stillness and solitude in nature.